Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to test and verify that SQL Server 2025 Enterprise Developer Edition installed correctly. Let's open a PowerShell terminal. Click on the Start icon on your Windows computer. Type PowerShell in the search bar and select Run PowerShell as an administrator. A user account control message may pop up. Click Yes to progress. The PowerShell terminal opens up. Type the following command in the terminal: SQL cmd-s localhost-q select @ version, press enter. You should see output showing Microsoft SQL Server 2025 version 17.x. This confirms SQL Server 2025 Enterprise Developer Edition is installed successfully. Well done. Thank you for watching.